song written by Kyoto Beamer called In the Real Old Style. Sometimes he'd sing me the songs he wrote when he was still a young man, and he'd play in the real old style, and he'd play love to sing with them when I get the chance, and they're filled with love for me, and they dance in the real old style. Now these folks, they are young no more. They will pass away. I know that I'll remember them and the song they used to play. And I'll play in the real old style, and I'll play in the real old style. And I'll play in the real old style. Now I'm a young man still, with many things to see. Someday when I grow old, I'll sing the songs they sang for me, and I'll play in the real old style, and I'll play in the real old style. Folks, they are young no more, and they will pass away. I know that I'll Glenn Terrell.
Kavika Kahiapo, along with LT and Chris. Nice stuff, yeah? Hawaii's own Kavika Kahiapo.